Juhi Chawla was invited as the guest of honor at the Priyadarshini Academy 33rd Anniversary Literary Awards. Nichal Israni, CMD Blue Cross Laboratories Limited, Niranjan Hiranandani, MD Hiranandani Group, Sanjay Deshmukh, Vice Chancellor, Mumbai University, and Nanik Rupani, Chairman Emeritus, were also present as they gave away awards at the function. And shared her views on the environmental problems and eco-friendly products that one must use instead of the plastic stuff that we have so much got used to using, which is actually harmful to the environment.
Forks and spoons and plates and cups, plastic cups, water cups, because all this it's just a convenience, it's not a necessity. We can go back to steel, we can go back to eco-friendly products. In our projects, in schools and colleges, do away with the thermocol and the styrofoam use. You know, simple things like encourage the kids, say, we're going to use earth-friendly products, use bamboo, use cardboard, use cotton, use jute. Do what you want, go use your heads and come up with something more earth-friendly. So many little changes like that, which are small, but they have a huge, when you think about the numbers you use and you will stop using, it's a huge amount of waste that you will be saving on. And of course, you can join us. All the children, kids, big kids, small kids, join us. Spread the word. Tell people around you about it. And let us be the ones to make that change. Let us be the smart, clever Indians that we always were. We always lived in an eco-friendly way until we got into this kind of use and throw culture. So let's throw that culture away and go back to our culture. And yes, we must do this because I think we owe it to the children. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children.
Others spoke on the education aspects and how the colleges and schools are catering to a maximum number of students for the best education knowledge.
The wonderful part of the whole thing is the future of India is actually all of you. The Prime Minister says it, I'm saying it, and we all say it, that 60% of our people are below 35. It is those people over here that will make the future happen. Our last 65, 70 years that we have been great years because we have done a lot. But now the paradigm must happen. The quality of life must change. Growth must take place. We must see that every person has a home. Everybody has food, clothing, shelter. Not only that, employment must have a quality of life that is second to none. Our Vice Chancellor has started skill developments in various stages, in different types of things that he has introduced. All this will make a better India. So we are all grateful to all of you, and we all need to make that commitment, what Juhi Chawla just told us, that we have to make a better future for these people who will be the future of India. And it's not yesterday that we have to look to, it's today and tomorrow that we will look forward to. So welcome over here. We all look forward to a better tomorrow. Thank you all the donors who have been participant to contribute for this cause, and all you wonderful students who must only commit to us that you promise to do your level best to make a great future, not only for this city, not only for this whole country, but the entire world.
We have the great luminaries who have been recognized for their service to society by way of their contribution in the literary field in the areas of Hindi, Sindhi and Gujarati. And they are Shri Akshayji Jain, Madam Meena Roopchandani, and also Kajal Vaidya Madam, who have through their knowledge and wisdom, enlightened many lives of the world, many lives of society, and they have gone beyond their subject of interest because their work has been translated in many languages so that each and every Indian and people from abroad, by way of translated version in English, are able to understand what they have been talking about, what they have been writing for enlightening minds of people.
It's our duty too to take care of nature, and so it's time we started the use of eco-friendly products and preserved our world for the future generations, like Juhi Chawla said.